Twitter has introduced a new feature that finally allows users to hide replies to their tweets. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to hide and unhide replies on Twitter. Now let's get started. To begin, open the Twitter app on your device and go to your profile page. Then open the tweet you want to hide replies to. Find the reply you want to hide. Then tap the downwards arrow in the top right corner of that tweet. In the menu that appears, select Hide Reply. The reply will then be hidden from your tweet, so anyone who looks at it will no longer be able to see that reply below. Other users can still read hidden replies if they tap the Hidden Replies icon in the bottom right corner of your tweet. Note that when you hide someone's reply, the author of that reply will be notified. You can unhide their reply at any time. To do so, tap the Hidden Replies icon. Then tap the arrow on the reply again and select Unhide Reply. The reply will then be placed back below your tweet. If the author of that reply has blocked or muted you since you hid the reply, you will be unable to see their reply at all and thus unable to unhide their reply. Same goes for if the author of the hidden tweet chooses to delete their tweet after you hide it. That does it for this tutorial on how to hide and unhide tweet replies on Twitter. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.